Containers are not simply smaller virtual machines. Ask whether a workload needs its own whole computer-like environment or a portable place to run an application. A VM is like a separate furnished house. Virtual hardware, a guest operating system, then its applications. Consider it when you need a different operating system or a full machine-like environment. Containers are apartments in one building, packaged applications with their own spaces, sharing a kernel underneath. That can make a repeatable service lighter than a full guest OS. Different operating system, consider a VM. Repeatable application service, consider a container. Strong boundaries, treat isolation as a design and configuration question. VMs and containers can work together. Containers often run inside VMs. Whole guest system versus packaged application around a shared kernel. That is the useful distinction.